Today, we're making Drunken Noodles, aka Pad Ki Mao. This delicious Thai rice noodle dish is one of my all-time favorite recipes and makes for a fantastic lunch or dinner. If you love Thai food but are tired of overpaying for takeout, then this video is for you. We'll make Pad Ki Mao from scratch for a fraction of the cost. Let's get cooking! Cut 1 carrot into half slices, then cut 1 cup of Gailan or broccoli crowns. Chop 1 bunch of green onions. Slice 1 red bell pepper. Then mince 6 garlic cloves. 2 Thai chilies. And a 1/4 cup of Thai basil. Then we'll cut our rice noodles or rice paper sheets into about 1-inch wide noodles. Be sure to fully unfold these. This might take some time. For the sauce, measure out 3/4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then thinly slice 1 chicken breast or your desired protein. Heat up a wok on high heat with some neutral oil, and then add our garlic and Thai chilies. Then add our chicken, then toss for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add our veggies. Let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add our rice noodles. Toss it around and add our sauce. Toss it all to get the noodles coated with that sauce. Lastly, add our Thai basil and mix together for another 1 minute. And boom, you have Drunken Noodles, aka Pad Ki Mao. This tastes absolutely amazing and has a nice aromatic flavor with the Thai basil and a spicy kick from the Thai chilies. Whether you make this for dinner or lunch, it's a great meal for the week and has a nice mix of veggies too. Here's today's ingredients. Note that you can use broccoli crowns instead of Gailan. If you like this recipe, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite Thai food is.